CCIEORDIE.COM. I'm RTech, and this is switch 300.115, 1.2a, CDP LLDP, which is Link Layer Discovery Protocol, but really just LLDP in this video. LLDP is a standards-based, non-proprietary Layer 2 discovery protocol, which means it can be used on Cisco devices as well as non-Cisco devices. And it works very similarly to CDP. It discovers directly connected neighbors. So let's turn LLDP on with LLDP run, just like CDP. And at the interface level, you would put it, interface command would be LLDP enable. Do show LLDP will give us its status. It's currently set. I've set the timer for every 5 seconds. LLDP timer, we'll change that to 6 seconds. One of the things I'd like to do now is do a packet capture. Before we do that, let's also look at the wealth of information that you can get on the internet about any subject on networking. We don't want to just limit ourselves to Cisco.com, which is a great resource, and the OCGs and the FLGs. You want to go even deeper, like Wikipedia, for instance, and it talks a whole bunch about it's one of its greatest strengths is MED, media endpoint discovery. It can auto discovery LAN policies, device location, extended and automated power management, inventory management. It does actually a whole bunch more things than CDP is capable of. And one of those things is the type length value setting that you can change between the neighbors to discover those specific values. LLDP TLV select, and you can select, and you can adjust the besides the basic 4. You can set exactly what you want to, what kind of information you want to acquire from your neighbor. So let's go on to mon sesh 1 source interface F0/11 both, which means we want the traffic to go both ways. We're jumping a little bit ahead. We'll do a video later on monitoring sessions or span, and monitor sesh 1 destination interface F0/24 encapsulation we want to replicate so that we can see it in the output of Wireshark, which we're going to kick up right now. Sudo, it's a Linux box, Wireshark. Need to be super user. And here it comes. So we'll look for our interface in Wireshark. That happens to be it. And I'll start it, and I want to just see LLDP. And here we have it. So let's look at the various types that it's supporting. The chassis type, which is type 1. The port type, as you can see the TLV there. The port type, type 2, and so on. Time to live, type 3. And then the end of LLDP. And then other ones that you may support and configure between your devices. It's really worth looking into. I really do suggest it. It's really going to open your eyes about what the capabilities are of Layer 2 discovery. And I hope you like the video, and we'll see you